Alrighty, now we're on to part B of free response question 2 on the AP Calculus exam. This will want us to find the particle's acceleration at time 1.5, and then they're asking, is the speed increasing or decreasing? Two parts here. First, let's find acceleration. That one isn't bad at all, so we simply use our calculator to plug in to get the acceleration. Now, I don't want you to try to solve for this. You should know that A of t is equal to v prime, and then we just plug it in and plug and show. I did some work here, but you shouldn't have to, and we should get a -1. Another way that you can solve for this one like this is if we go to the 1.5, you can see that this thing represents, I'll highlight it here. Boom. So if we go over here to 1.5, boom, it's -1. So you can find it here on decimals, but you all had your TI-85 or TI-84 calculators or TI Inspires. That would be how I would do it, and I would trace to find that point. Okay. So now that we know that, the next part is this thing increasing? The speed is increasing or slowing down. So think about it. Speeding up, slowing down, that means my acceleration and my velocity must have the same sign. So when A of t and V of t is the same sign, we're going to be speeding up. Remember that rule. Same sign, we're speeding up. So if they're both negative, then we're speeding up. Or if they're both positive, we're speeding up. And if they're opposite signs, so if A of t and V of t, talking about the velocity, is opposite signs, it's slowing down. So that's an important concept here that you need to remember. If we did that, we can find the velocity at 1.5 multiple ways. We can just look at our graph here that we traced out, and we can see that the velocity is in fact negative at 1.5. You can see here, this is velocity graph in red. 1.5 is around here, very close to 0, but it's negative. That would be what I would have done, or you could have plugged this into your calculator exactly and found that both of these things are negative. Because they're negative, that means that the particle is speeding up, or the speed is increasing, because they're the same time. Velocity is negative and acceleration is negative. So, all right, that's it for part B. I'll see you in the next one. Later.